Kreg is a leading manufacturer serving both DIY hobbyists and professional woodworkers. The company specializes in developing innovative woodworking tools that integrate advanced technology and precision engineering. Here are 20 exceptional Kreg tools for woodworking.
No matter which kind of wood project you're dealing with, small or large, making tight Kreg joints is the foremost duty to achieve the best outcome. This Kreg Jig R3 is a portable way to create strong fittings when working on DIY or professional projects like home improvement, DIY bookshelf baking storage solutions, and all. Not just that, the R3 is also great for making lasting repairs. Just position the jig on your specific material, drill into the pocket hole, and drive the screw, and you're done. Meanwhile, the self-tapping screws hold the two pieces tightly and maintain high strength between the joints. This Jig R3 works with approximately every wood material, from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. In addition, the adjustable sliders of the jig let you match the material's thickness, preventing all the chances of imprecision.
Who wouldn't want an all-in-one tool that carries everything? You simply cannot carry a drill press anywhere because it's such a big tool. But a tiny drilling guide like the Kreg KD G6000 will save your day by letting you make straight holes on the surface. This pocket-sized tool is made of hardened steel that holds every bit straight. The best thing about this drilling guide is the alignment marks, which let you make accurate positioning before starting drilling. And if you want to make some holes for dowel joints, you can do that too, because it self-centers on 1/2 and 3/4 inch materials.
Next on the list is Kreg's Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro. It comes with the most advanced features that no regular jig has offered yet. The 720 Pro is made of quality materials and specially designed to complete a wide variety of building projects faster than ever. On top of that, this multifunctional tool is equipped with an exclusive one-motion clamping system. You just need to place your material in the exact position and then press down on the handle. No matter which type of wood the 720 Pro is clamping, it never leaves a damaged mark on it. Not just that, it also automatically positions the drill guides perfectly to place the pocket holes exactly in your workpiece. There's more. This pocket hole jig also features a Kreg docking station that lets you create the ultimate benchtop pocket hole workstation anytime, anywhere. Sometimes you need to work alone on some projects where you needed to move large materials. No wonder it's so hassleful and laborious. This is why the Kreg panel carrier comes into play and saves the day. It handles all the tough carrying tasks you've never thought of doing alone. Wondering how? Well, this tiny-looking tool has a sturdy construction and strong gripping ability to hold your materials tightly enough while eliminating the slipping and falling issues. All you have to do is just clamp it on your wood materials, lift, and go. Oh, the rubberized jaws of the panel carrier ensure your material never meets any slight damage, even for the larger ones. Isn't it great to have a whole carrying system all in one tool? Of course it is. Let's be frank, a sturdy clamping kit has no rivals when you need to hold workpieces in place, especially when you're involved with a woodworking project. But this Kreg Inline Clamp you see here is made to eliminate the need for extra hands around the job site. Well, these clamps come in a low-profile design, yet ensure a secure hold for workpieces of all shapes and sizes, without a clamp getting in the way. These inline clamps stay in place with a peg that fits into any 3/4 inch diameter hole in your workbench. However, the easy-to-grip dial lets you press the clamp shoe against the workpiece and maintain substantial clamping force for a tight hold. So instead of hiring someone to be your helping hand, you better go with these inline clamps. While making a shelf, you want it as versatile as possible, don't you? The only way of getting that done is by making the shelves adjustable. That's why Kreg made its shelf pin jig that lets you drill easily into the accurately positioned mark. You can perfectly align holes with a hand drill with the hardened steel guides. It allows you to drill maintaining consistent space. On top of that, this jig has one stop collar on the bit that prevents all the over-drilling problems thanks to the movable fence, which keeps the pin jig firmly aligned with the edge, meaning you'll no longer have to worry about measurement errors. This flawlessly designed shelf pin jig eases the way of drilling and keeps all the holes aligned for a pro-grade result after the job.
If you want to elevate your routing capabilities with precise control, this Kreg router lift is here to get that done. If you're making router setup changes or changing bits, this is the right tool you can have in hand. It allows you to control all aspects of your router setup from above the table to provide you high-quality routing results. This router lift boasts tons of features that make your job quick and ensure you absolute reliability. It dramatically eliminates the time and hassle you spend in changing bits. Plus, the router lift brings new levels of precision and clarity in changing router bits, so now you can spend less time getting ready and more time routing. Though it works similarly to the Project Center, it's actually a track horse from Kreg. It's packed with numerous features and versatility that takes you on a using experience beyond the edge line. First, it comes with adjustable sturdy legs that lock in place securely and comes with 6 working heights for your different needs. You can also set up a ground-level work platform with the Kreg track horse. The best thing you'll get from this tool is when you fold it down, it surprisingly becomes small in size and allows you to carry it easily wherever you get a call for the next job. Aside from that, this track horse comes with built-in dual-mode clamping to keep you productive with added versatility. The next tool might look confusing. However, the Kreg Straight Edge Guide lets you easily and precisely cut plywood and sheet goods to size, so you'll no longer have to face crooked or inaccurate cuts. It's mainly made to eliminate all the struggling hours you used to meet while controlling your circular saw. From now on, you'll be able to confidently make straight, accurate, and reliable cuts. This straight edge guide guides you to preciseness.
Screwdriving in straight spaces seems so simple, but the hassle begins when you need to drive them into extremely confined corners. With that in mind, Kreg designed the KDRV 990DG. It's a 90-degree pocket hole driver to handle all types of screwing projects in tough, hard-to-reach spaces. This driver features a 1/4-inch shank that easily fits with standard drill and impact drivers. With the 3-inch square drive bits, it works great with all the pocket hole screws. Worried about the strength of the driver? Well, it tackles even the toughest material pretty easily without causing any noticeable vibrations. This 90-degree driver simplifies the time-taking screwing tasks and lessens your labor while going through rush hours at the job site. Making pinpoint crosscuts isn't a cup of tea for everyone, but if you have this Kreg Crosscut Station in your hand, things will be easier than ever. It allows you to make crosscuts and miters and boards up to 12 inches wide. Plus, it's highly portable and lets you get perfect miter saw quality cuts from your circular saw. On top of that, you can make crosscuts at 90 degrees, miters at 45 degrees, and so many angled cuts too. The Kreg guided cutting solution simply levels up your confidence while working with the Crosscut Station. Meanwhile, the backbone of the tool allows you to easily align the materials for perfectly positioned cuts, thanks to the included curve which shows exactly where your blade cuts. Make sure to position your cut line with the edge of the curve.
If you're up to building some cabinets, boxes, or frames, holding the wood piece in the right manner can be complicated until you have this Kreg 90-degree corner clamp by your side. They perfectly align the corners and partitions at accurate 90-degree angles. Not only that, these clamps also simplify T-joints that are commonly used to attach shelves and partitions. Want to know a really cool part? You can easily drive the fastener as it securely holds the joints together and assists you as a drilling guide. With the AutoMax auto-adjusting technology, it never troubles you with readjusting while shifting between one thickness and another. Okay, you often miss your project table when going through busy workshop hours, don't you? Well, now you can work on projects wherever, whenever, and however you want. This Kreg Mobile Project Center is something you'd love to take around your job site. It lets you work comfortably and conveniently, raises your work to a perfect height, and eliminates working on the ground. You can use this project center for wide purposes like a sawhorse, assembly table, or clamping station. You can even extend it more to get a larger work surface. Want to know the fun part? It folds down to half of its actual size and easily fits in the car's back trunk.
Are you the kind of person who just hates a messy job site? However, you can't prevent the scenarios without a sturdy workbench around there. So meet Kreg's Universal Bench. It's a durable and reliable solution that you can use as a workbench, assembly table, tool stand, and many more purposes. This heavy-duty bench keeps all your essential goods safe, organized, and near at hand. You can choose between multiple sizes that perfectly suit your workplace. Plus, you can create an absolutely personalized size by adjusting the metal legs and rails. Cool, isn't it? It needs some easy steps to be fully assembled. The best thing about this Kreg Universal Bench is its height adjustability. You can get the desired height regarding your project demands. Here's another clamp tool on the list. This Kreg Auto Adjust Bar Clamp is designed to tackle the most hard-to-handle assembly projects with ease. The best pro of this clamp tool is the AutoMax Auto Adjust technology, which increases clamping force and efficiency. Most importantly, these auto-adjusting clamps have different sizes and capacities, meaning you can choose between the 8, 16, and 24-inch or get them all. Each of the clamps is made of quality material, so you can unhesitatingly pick them for years of rough and tough use. In terms of usability, the simple and easy sliding features allow you to shift between different materials in no time at all.
A cracked and damaged deck of your house might spoil your good times when you're relaxing or chilling with your family. Popped out nails or split ends not only downgrade the look of your deck, but it's dangerous too. That's why the Kreg Deck Jig comes in handy to enhance the beauty and quality of your deck. It allows you to conceal the screws on the edge of the boards so that they'll never be in your way. This deck jig eliminates all the face screwing issues while maintaining precision and depth accuracy from job to job.
When a miter saw cannot offer you the needed accuracy of cuts and leaves many scopes of frustrating mistakes, this Kreg Track and Stop system comes into play and removes all the tape measures and pencils from your job site. This system simplifies your repeatable cutting and maintain high accuracy for professional jobs. And the setup process is so simple. First, align the cursor over your desired measurement and lock, then place the board perfectly, and the rest of the task will handle your miter saw. So now, say goodbye to all the traditional marking and setup methods that are so laborious and time-consuming. So, that was the list of the 20 new amazing Kreg tools for woodworking.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.